How to transfer Spaylater TikTok to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Spaylater TikTok to Gcash. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access more options. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then select Balance. Next, tap on Live Rewards to see your available Spaylater balance. From here, follow the prompts to transfer your Spaylater TikTok balance to Gcash. Make sure you have your Gcash account linked for a smooth transfer. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Spaylater TikTok balance to Gcash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.